everyone, today I'll be working on the cleaning this mess and then I'm gonna do the mold remediation. Keep watching, I'll show you a lot of interesting things how to remove the mold remediation because I'm certified technician for that, and I'll give you interesting tips. Keep watching my channel, thank you. Alright, so as you can see, there are like a black mold, lots of debris on the floor, and I'm going to start with cleaning. So I have a push broom, small broom, garbage bags, and brush. That's just for cleaning the surface first, and then I'll be applying the antimicrobial solution applicants to remove, and we'll see how those stains will go off or not. Hopefully it will. And yeah, lots of work. That's why we are here, so wish me good luck. Let's go. The progress is going slowly, lots of stuff, lots of things to clean. So I started from third floor, clean the stairs and that part. Now I'm starting from this part. I clean up everything from here and slowly moving over there. Oh yeah. So the progress is slowly going, cleaning mold and everything. So already cleaned this part. Without cleaning I can't go and apply the chemicals, clean all these black molds. Slowly by slowly get going. The work is in progress. I'm almost finished with the first floor. It's all cleaned, and I'm going to go upstairs for the second floor and then the third floor, and then I'll be starting with the mold remediation process. So hi everyone, day number 2. I'm working on the second floor. Second floor a little bit worse than the first floor, but I'll fix that. Just want to share with you the work in progress. I'm cleaning and prepare everything for mold remediation process. That's the second floor. As you can see, everything is in a black mold and dirty, and I am professional technician certified, so I know how to deal with this. I will figure it out. So I'm working on the cleaning right now, so keep watching. I'll see there lots of interesting stuff. Hello everyone. It's getting cold, and I want to share my progress of the cleaning. I have completed the cleaning of the second floor. Yeah, as you can see, this black still stays here. That's why it's molded. I'm going to apply a solution. Yeah, but the rest I have cleaned. Looks way better now. Now I'm going to go upstairs and finish the third floor. The third floor is a bit smaller than those two, so hopefully it will not take again 5 hours, because it took me 6 hours to complete the second floor and 5.5 hours to do the first floor. So let's go up and continue with this mess. Has to be done and finished. Just quickly show you a work in progress. So I cleaned all this side of the floor. Now it's working here, just only this left, and it's gonna be it for today. Good morning everyone. Today is a very important day for me because I'm going to do a full house mold remediation. First is first, the safety is first. So I'm going to put on a suit, safety suit, and the respirator. I'm going to put a suit cover on myself because I'm going to use severe chemicals. suit is on. Use a shoe cover. This is the respirator with new cartridges on it. Make sure it fits tight. But before I put it on, because I will not be able to speak, so very important when you work with mold remediation, all those biocides, chemicals, stuff like that, you always wear protection gears like a suit, nitrile gloves, and this type of gloves, chemicals. Put goggles. Now, so if you put gloves on gloves, so this and then this, when you work with chemicals. Okay. So just like that, fully equipped with everything. Make sure the respirator fits your face tight enough, and I'm gonna put the hood. So all done, let's start and kill this and the rest of this fungi. So today I'll be using 3 types of chemicals. Here's my sprayer for 1 gallon. So I'm gonna put 4 bottles, and the first chemical that I'm going to use, on and gone. The second chemical, on and gone, but in a little bit different formula. And after that I will be using gone for good. I like to encapsulate if anything pops up back for the mold. Also for this one I need water to mix. So 1 jar is 5 gallons of water, which is about 20 liters. So yeah, let's start. Hopefully it will kill all mold and spores and mildew, and it's gonna be good. Gone for good. Yeah, okay, let's go. So the first floor was completed. Still wet, but I soaked this very well. Hopefully all mold will go. Hello guys. Okay, I have finished with the mold remediation. I removed all mold. Yesterday I sprayed with special chemical to encapsulate everything, and I'll show you the result. It's a little bit wet on the surface, but there is no mold, so I remediated everything. I'm on the 3rd floor right now. As you can see, it's a little bit wet areas, but you see was a mold and the color was black. Now it's yellow, back to normal. Everything is cleaned, remediated, everything was removed. I'm so satisfied with the result. Here was a huge pot of mold, so got everything removed, all clean. So let's go to the 2nd floor and then I'll show you the 1st floor. Okay, so this is the 2nd floor. You saw before how bad it was. Look now, all mold gone. This is not mold, this is just the wet area. You see here we have some sunshine. It's already dried in that corner, but here it takes some more time. Unfortunately, there is no power in the house so far, so it has to be dried like that. If not, we will bring the air movers and dehumidifiers and bring some portable generator to finish stabilizing and drying the structure. But so far it's getting warm. It's plus 16 Celsius right now, so I don't think we would need that. I opened all windows and I'm gonna leave it like that. But look, compared to what it was and now, it's like perfectly removed. So I can officially say I have killed all mold. Yay! Yeah, and yeah, like a mold busters. Cheers. And now we are at the 1st floor, ground floor. It's the wettest one because it's less sun getting into this floor, to this room. But look, this is not mold, this is just a little bit of dirt. Yeah, all mold was killed, just wet because not enough sunshine here so far. But once the sun gonna be on the west, it's going to be dried better, as you can see here. So yeah, I'm so satisfied with the result, all great. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. If you need help with restoration, mold remediation, water damage mitigation, stuff like that, we are here to help you. Just let us know. So mold remediation done, fence locked, all done. Let's go to the next point.